How to get anything permanently deleted off of your credit report without hiring an attorney. You don't need a credit specialist. I'm not offended. You don't need a credit repair company. You don't have to file a FTC identity theft report or use the credit suite. Now, under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, anything can be deleted off of your credit report because it can be yours. The way it is permanently deleted is when the credit bureaus violate your consumer rights, which 99% of the time they do. But you have to make sure you construct a dispute letter to ensure you can get this item removed and identify that they have violated your consumer rights. So the first step, you're going to go to annualcreditreport.com or directly to the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Request a copy of your most recent credit report. Once you have that copy of your credit report, you're going to select the account in which you are ready to have removed, whether it's reporting due to a charge-off, collection, repossession, whatever it is. You're going to identify that account, create your dispute letter. In your dispute letter, you're going to say, please verify the accuracy and the source of this account under FCRA 609 and 611. The last sentence should state, I request all investigation results be provided to me in writing. You're going to enclose a copy of your driver's license, a copy of your most recent utility bill, whether it be internet, water, power, or gas, not your cell phone bill. You're going to put this dispute letter, send it certified mail with tracking information. Because if the credit bureaus cannot provide the method of verification, meaning if they didn't provide a response that clearly identifies whom they contacted, what method of contact, was it by email, by phone, and what documentation did they review to confirm that this account is reporting accurately, that information has to be given to you. So if it is a late account, a copy of your payment history, a copy of your original credit contract must be provided to you to prove that they've actually investigated this dispute and is reporting accurately. Now, within 30 days, if you get a letter that states this account has been verified and they don't provide the method of verification like we just discussed, you're then going to upload a copy of that response, the tracking information that confirmed they received it, a copy of the original dispute letter, your driver's license, and a copy of your utility bill. Your consumer complaint is simply going to state, this was a violation of my consumer rights given to me under Regulation V, CFPB. And desired outcome is permanent deletion of this account because they never provided the information to you on how they verified it. 99% of the time, credit bureaus fail to do that. This will get your account deleted. Have any questions? Click the link in my bio. Get a copy of $10 Credit Repair, the Ultra Edition is available now. Make sure to comment. I'll respond. And if you have any other questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.